usually what I like to do is I don't like to deal with roots when it comes to the differentiation, especially quotient. It will be very messed up. So what I do is I will square both sides. Whole number for part 2. Integer value. Part 2 as in. But this is what I like to do. I do because I know that if I deal with the root of a differentiation, I'll probably mess up a lot of things. Okay, just like a lot of things in my life. So what I do is I'll differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. This is much easier, right? Is this much easier than if you do it root? I don't know. Okay, anyway, this is what I will do lah. But you don't want to do what I do, is also okay, it's fine. So x squared plus 2. I hope this is easier. I don't know. Let's see. 2x minus u dv dx. Seems okay so far. Seems okay so far. Okay, great. So I will just this is square. V square v du dx u dv dx. Okay, great. So then I'll just factorize it out. Okay. X squared plus 2 minus x squared. Then I'll try. Then I think this is pretty okay. Then the z, you just replace z back in. Z is this one. Z is how much? Yeah, then you can just cancel everything. That is good. Cancel, 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 cancel. Wow. Okay, so this is alternative. I'm pretty sure a lot of you actually did the square root, dealing with the square root way, right? So you can refer to this if you want. Just the first thing is I square both sides. What do you do? 3/2. Yep. It. Second part. Thing about second part is you need to make sure that you don't have curve like that, because if it's like, let's say they cut x-axis, right, then from 2 to 7, right, then this will be messed up. You need to break it apart. Okay, but you know that this will not work. This will not happen, right? You need to check whether this happen, like mentally lah. Okay, so but this will not happen, right? You know why this will not happen? There are many ways to see. Because y equals to 0 is not a solution. That's another one. And also that and this is always positive. This square root, well, 3D is always positive. So y will always be bigger than 0. Okay. So you need to check if but you can use GC lah. You can obviously use GC. Like whether it cuts whether it's this case here or this case here. So the idea here is, of course, by looking at it, I know that it's this case. You key in calculator, I'm pretty sure you see it's this case. So or this case that I don't know what it looks like, but the idea is there. You area is 2 to 7. Oh, actually okay, right? Yeah, so you know that from previous part, integrating this will give you that one. Integrating this will give you, oh wow, okay, too many alphabets. So you know that 32 over x squared plus 32 over 2d x is equals to z. So this case here, there's no 32 here, so you divide with 32. There's 1 over 32 x over alpha. Then you just put 7 and 2. Okay. It'll be here. 2 square. Yep. 81, 4 plus 32, 36. 81. In calculator lah. 7/9 minus 2 over 6. 32. 1 over 72. Okay.